Hi, Saul from Cheap Alarm Parts. Interesting fault. Customer sent back this B426 M. He says he can't connect to it. And when we stick it on the test bench here, you can see the link light is going a bit crazy, which is unusual for a B426 M. So I think we'll send the customer a new one. All our stuff has a 3-year warranty, and there's definitely something wrong with this one. Let me just put it on one that I know that it's working, which is this one here. We'll plug in the Ethernet, and it should boot up. And the link light will flicker for a minute or two, but not the way the other one was doing it. So we can see it's connected at 100 megabits per second. That's the green light, and the link light showing that it is doing a bit of talking, but it's not on all the time like the other one was. And that's what you should get when you connect up your B426M. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave your comments below. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can catch us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to visit our site www.cheapalarmparts.com.au. See you next time.